Hi guys, welcome back. Just want to quickly show you a little mod that I'm doing to my next build, which will be the C34 metal kit. As you can see, I will be using the C54 tires, C34 wheels, and my own custom wheel extenders made out of alloy. I will show you the process how I've made it. Yeah, just a quick one today really. Everything goes easy together. As you can see, I have removed the tire retainer, and on there I've made another one for it. So simply click it together, just like that. I will glue them on, but it is a tight fit anyway. And get your tire over. By the way, I will be using wheel weights also, so this is just a quick demo how everything goes together really. That's all there is to it.